হাই, আমার কাছে সায়ন আছে। আমরা আরেকটা এপিসোড নিয়ে এসেছি। সায়ন, তুমি কতদিন কমপ্লিটে?
Around 1.5 years
ওকে।
cross coach.
আর তোমার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স উইথ কমপ্লিট?
It's been pretty good. Like first time যখন এসেছিলাম, I was like pretty much knocked out. Okay. That's so I think most important about like changing the physique is the environment. Like feel kind of pretty good. And you have a peace of mind you can do it. Many gyms, like I've been in many other gyms. One environment has been a very important factor. I've seen like normally you don't feel like going there because you feel the halacha. But here you feel the vibe that you want to come. And one more thing which I like is that in terms of time, like because it's open 24/7, so it's a pretty good place to be at because I miss out in a given time, especially when I'm working. I think তাদের জন্য it's a big advantage. কারণ they can come at least মাঝে রাত্রে আসতে। আর আমি একবার এসেছিলাম মাঝে।
সো নিজেই শুনলেন আপনারা সায়নের অভিজ্ঞতা। থ্যাংক ইউ।